everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some vegetable and fruit infused water that is a great snack for when you're doing the watering a plant activity from Growing Great. So let's see what we need to get started. First, I have a cutting board, a pitcher with water, a glass jar or other container with a lid, a knife for the adult to use, and lastly I have my veggie and my fruit. I chose cucumber and tangerine orange because that's what I had available in my house, but you can choose any vegetable or fruit you have in your house. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start by thinly slicing my cucumber into discs. As you slice your cucumbers or whatever vegetable or fruit you chose to use, be sure to use your five senses to make some observations on how it looks, feels, smells, sounds, and tastes. Really fresh and crunchy. I also noticed that when I held my cucumbers up to a light source, I could see the seeds. Okay, now let's prepare our oranges. Now, I cut each of my little orange sections in half. Note that the smaller and thinner you cut your fruit and vegetable pieces, the more flavor they'll bring to your water. Let's give a little test. Really sweet. I also noticed that after peeling my orange, my fingers smelled really fresh and citrusy. Okay, so now you'll take your jar or other container and fill it with your fruit or vegetable pieces. Now we'll take our pitcher of water and fill it to the top, pouring our water over our fruit. Take a closer look. Okay, and now we will screw on our lid so we don't spill. Now I'm going to take my jar and put it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours, which allows those fruit and vegetable flavors to really infuse into our water. Note, fruits that are sweet and juicy and vegetables that have a really mild flavor tend to work best for this. In addition, if you have herbs around your house, you can add those in as well. My favorite herbs to add are mint, basil, or thyme. Okay, it's been 2 hours, so let's check on our water. Okay, so now it's time to test out our creation. I also brought my little metal straw because I think that will make drinking this water even more fun. So before I take a drink of my water, I'm again going to notice how it looks, smells, feels, and sounds. All right, now time for the fun part, tasting. That tastes delicious. I especially love combining my cucumber with my fruit because it adds both a savory and sweet element. And my favorite part of making fruit-infused water is, of course, it comes with a little snack. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you get to try this at home. I would love to hear what fruit or vegetables you experiment with. For more great STEM, nutrition, and recipe activities, be sure to email Meghan at GrowingGreat.org or check out GrowingGreat.org. Now stay safe and I'll see you next time.